Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 4A Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has a decent amount of space for everyone.
We really like these family Oceanview staterooms. They are bigger than the regular Verandah staterooms, and of course that extra Murphy bed is really nice if you don't want to have to climb up onto the top bunk.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come into the room here, you can see over on the left we have a large closet. There are 3 sections to the closet. The first section over here is where you're going to find your closet rod and your robes, Disney Cruise Line logo there on the robes. And there's some storage space down below for your luggage as well. And then up top, you've just got some life vests. In the center section here, this is where you're going to find your shelves. And there's also an in-room safe a little bit further down and a bag if you'd like to send out for laundry service. And then the third section of the closet, we have additional hanging space over here and additional luggage storage space down below, and then the ladder for the pull-down upper berth that your stateroom host can assist you with if needed. We do have 2 bathrooms here, a split bathroom layout across from the closet here. The first half of the bathroom is just going to be a vanity and a toilet. You can see we've got a couple little shelves on the wall over there, and then 3 more over here right above the vanity. A little bit of storage down below the vanity and not a whole lot of counter space here. You've got the liquid hand soap and then the lighted mirror there on the wall. And then the second half of the bathroom is where you're going to find your tub and shower combo. You've got the glass wall instead of the shower curtain now, and then they have the detachable shower head here. That's the only shower head in here, no additional rainfall shower head in these rooms. You got a couple glass shelves as well as your H2O products, the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there. Then you have a single vanity in here as well, a little more counter space on this one. You've got some storage down below and then the shelves over here on the wall. You've got some lotion on that one shelf in addition to the washcloths, and you have the mirror there that is lighted all the way around. On the back side of the door, we also have a full-length mirror. That's the only one we have here in this particular room. In the main part of the room, you can see we have that queen size bed, the main bed, and underneath you do have room for storing your luggage. Over on the very end here of the closet area, we've got a few shelves they kind of built in, trying to utilize the space here in the room well. There's a TV here at the foot of the bed, and they also have this beautiful bed runner that says Wish on it, their Disney Wish logo. They also have the Disney Cruise Line logo on the bed runner. And then above the bed in this particular room, we have Moana. We have Te Fiti there with a scene that looks right out of the movie. There's some little gold accents you can kind of see. They shimmer in the light. That's because there's a single little spotlight right up there shining on the mural, and you can turn that on and off independent from the other room lights. We did find a couple little hidden Mickeys here in the room. One right there on the corner of the pillowcase. Embroidered in, we have a Mickey head. There's actually little Mickeys, little Disney Cruise Line logos with Mickeys all over the comforter and the pillowcases. And then on the lamp, when you turn the light on, you can see the one little Mickey head right there in the front. In addition to the regular lamp, there's also a small reading light that you can turn on. And then there's a 220 outlet down here in addition to 2 USB outlets. You also have a small drawer for storage there. On the other half of the bed, we have the same exact setup with the lamps, but our outlets are actually different here. We have regular wall outlets in addition to the 2 USBs and a new USB-C outlet as well. You can use that curtain there to divide the room in half. It does a really nice job partitioning things off. The other half of the room has 3 different beds in it. One is actually our couch here that folds down into a twin-size bed, folds right on top of the couch so no additional floor space is needed. You've got the upper berth, that top bunk there. Your stateroom host can help you with that. That's what the ladder is for that's in the closet. And you also have a third bed, the Murphy bed over there in the corner. If you have one of these family staterooms and they don't have a Murphy bed, they just replace that with a mirror, and you can see a version of that linked in the description down below. Over on the wall, we have Moana, a nice piece of art here. She's playing with the water. And then across from all the beds, we have our dresser area of the room. Decent sized little dresser area. We've got a few drawers. One of them is going to be right here on the desk part. You've got a few papers and pens in there, including a little door hanger for ordering breakfast from room service. You can see they built little shelves all along the wall there by the lighted mirror. And then the drawers over here, one of them is actually our mini fridge. This big one down here is not a traditional mini fridge. It's a drawer. That's kind of a unique setup here on the Wish. And if you're looking for a hairdryer, that's going to be here in this top drawer. That plugs into those outlets that are over beside the bed, the 220 outlet, or this one right here that has those 2 USBs on top of it. We also have regular wall outlets, 2 USBs, and a USB-C here on this wall as well. We do have a connecting door here in this stateroom if you happen to have the room next door as well. And then a nice piece of art on the wall with Pua and Hey Hey, little line art there. And if you look over here on the Murphy bed, we have one more small area of storage. This little cabinet they built in just to take up that extra space, give you a little bit more area to put your things away. Not a ton of storage here in this room, but it seems like there's probably enough as long as you don't have 5 adults staying here. And we'll head out here to check out the veranda, the best part of this room in my opinion. We love the view up here. You can see we have 2 chairs and a small table out here. You've got a plexiglass railing so you can see out when you're at sea. And if you happen to have the stateroom next door, that connecting room, your stateroom host can open up the veranda divider there and you can actually have them connected, which is really cool. Beautiful view out here. We just sailed away from Port Canaveral. This is actually the bridge right here to my right, 1 deck down. So we're kind of right here above where everything's happening running the ship. That's kind of cool. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 4A Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And check out all the other videos on the channel. We have a ton of room tours across all the Disney Cruise Line ships and a lot of them here on the Disney Wish, as well as other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.